Good morning, children. Today we will start lesson 3 Houses and Clothes. When I say house, what comes to your mind? You might think about your house, or your friend's house, or your granny's house, isn't it? So, in today's class, we will find out why we need a house. Okay? Our aim is clear that why we need a house. What all did you keep outside the house? Car, bike, trees, and animals. Now tell me, what all did you keep inside the house? The things that are inside the house are books, clothes, bed, and toys. Isn't it? Why do we need a house? We spend time with our family in the house. We also sleep, study, and do many other things inside our house. We keep our things safe inside a house. A house is made of walls, roof, door, and windows. Houses keep us safe from sun, rain, clouds, and animals. The walls and the roof protect us from these things. People who can hurt us also cannot enter our house. We have doors to close our house and not allow others to come inside. Thieves cannot enter our house. Does a big house give more protection than a small house? Yes, the size of the house does not matter. The house needs to be strong so that rain, storm, and sun do not harm us, and unwanted people and animals do not enter our house. Okay? And today we will find out what are the rooms in your house. Living room, dining room, bedroom, study room, bathroom, kitchen, basement, laundry room, and garage. Now tell me, children, what do you do in these rooms? There are different rooms in different houses. For example, we cook in a kitchen. We bath or brush our teeth in a bathroom. We sleep, play, or study in the bedroom. We sit and talk with our friends in a living room. Some houses have a room where we worship, isn't it? Why do we have different rooms in a house? We have different rooms to do different things. All houses do not have all of the rooms or the same number of rooms. All of the houses have a bathroom to bath, brush, and to go to toilet. We need a separate room to take a bath. Otherwise, the whole house will be wet and dirty. Okay, children, if you had just one room in your house, what would you do to find space to do different things? Some of us have just one room in our house. So, we use different parts of the room as kitchen, bedroom, puja, and study. Toilet is outside the house. The number of rooms in a house is not important. It is important to have different places in our house to do different things, and a house should protect us. Okay? Open page number 14 in your content book, children. Houses and clothes. Need for a house. We live in a house. We feel safe in a house. A house has walls on all four sides, a roof, windows, and doors. It protects us from the sun, rain, cold, animals, and people who can harm us. Go to page number 15 in your content book. We cook, eat food, rest, study, and spend time with our family in our house. Rooms in a house. We have different rooms in a house. We cook in a kitchen. We eat in a dining room. We watch television or spend time with friends in a living room. We sleep in a bedroom. We take a bath and brush our teeth in a bathroom. Now it's practice time, children. Open page number 19 in your workbook. Need for a house. Start with the date. First question, label the door, roof, wall and windows of the house. Okay? Second question, why do we need a house? The house protects us from the sun, rain, cold, animals and people who can harm us. Now it's a third question. Which of these is a better house to live in? A or B? Yes, house B, it has a roof and walls. House A does not have a roof, so it will not protect us from the sun, rain and cold, isn't it? We have another worksheet, children. Open page number 20. Start with the date. Rooms in a house. First question. Write the name of the rooms shown. First one is done for you. It's a kitchen. B is a living room. C, it's a bathroom. Good. Now second question. Why do we need different rooms in a house? We need different rooms in a house for different tasks, isn't it? Now it's a third question. Can we use a living room as a bedroom? Yes, sometimes, children. When we have too many guests, we sometimes sleep in the living room. Do these worksheets, children. Catch you in the next video. Take care.